Ku sembut Menteri Rangba kajela ubak kami ya katanat home police ubak Preston tensang hakalai potrik nailar ula pentep bakajing tohkit halor kajing kenok thombor jong kishipai BSF ya kawai ke longiing hai is giant hills lala ban pendap bat menta kajing pen krek ban chat sheet kalaya syakman la pendap ya kajing tohkit bat kajing pen krek ban chat sheet kalaya syakman ong ubak Preston haba jubab ya ka call attention notice balawan ra da UMLA ka VPP na maulai ubak Bright Star Well Marban yang hapok kayong dorbar. Ula pentep bahadian ketika jingshah la register case hapok Kliriat Women Police Station. Bala pengat hapok ki kenduan katkum ke section South Paksan Penyau, Ars Pak Lai Penriu, Lai Paksan Pusau, Lai Pak Prapusau bat Lai Pusau, jong ke Indian Penal Code, puli ringkat bat ki kenduan Penyau bat pra jong ke POSCO Act. Ulai thukru bahha kajuk kasengi hak arpo trik jeliu arjar arpsau, la eksamen ya unong ujor bat ya kilanot bat labu jingtho ya kijingkren jongki bat baro kesin jam badan kam kum kajing pet benya ya ka koi kya kajing na jingo ya kijaka bajia bat kajing lum ya kisaki lale kat kum kaan ya ka ejahar la mudui ha ka arpo trik jeliu arjar arpsau da ka long kami ka balapan pau bahha kamit jong ka khat kanda trik jeliu arjar arpsau ha ka por kum bakhat wishting menmien laingot ki breu ki bakam bagi degi shipai BSF kila rong jubor haying jongka. La ong ba kini ki brio klam uniform kila ra da ki tiar pen mensau ba syarkai kila rong jubor ha ketika ying. Bat maria rong kila thombor ya ulok kila shimru ya usdi na ketika ying bat kila persyang ban pendan kam persya ya ki dekot jongka ni ka ying. Wat hapadeng kajing persyang jongka te ke long kemi bat ka kun jongka kabedang katsan sinam garta ban kini ya ketiar na kinong thombor kila sya ban bor. Kinong thombor kila beteng ban thombor ting ya ulok kalong kumi kabala penlong ya u baun ngat ha kajing mensa. Hadian kania ha kapor kumbakat arsitek menstep kini kiju ki riushimet kila wan pai ringkat ba kenhuan ka bakambun kabadan pala katsan ngon bat kila sedang biang ya ka kam thombor persya ya ulok jong kalong kumi. Ha kani kajing wan thombor ka baar kila kani jubor ya kapun na ka kun jong kanong mudui kabadang katsan senam karta bat la kenok ba kila jong keti yaka. Haba ka kemi jongka kala persyang banyada yala ka kun henry makaru krasya thombor. Ki nong thombor kila berngam syuk-syuk ya ka yeng kesam da ki tiarsian bat kila maham ya ki halor ka jingma hadian habun. Halor ka ni ka jingjia thombor ki shipai BSF haduk menta 4 kam yano.
BSF personnel went there with their civil dress. So it is very difficult even from the civilian point of view to really know whether these people, whether they are gangster or whether they are law enforcing agency. And when we talk about BSF, we are aware that BSF is being guided by the BSF Act 1968. And Section 46 specifically deals with civil offence where the guilty, if charged, shall be liable to be tried by a security force court. And that is one of the reasons. Many a times we'll find that these BSF personnel have been committing many wrongs and seek refuge under the BSF Act 1968. And let me remind that the BSF, the main objective of the Border Security Force is to prevent cross-border crimes and unlawful entry into or exit from the country. And the function of the BSF is to promote a sense of security among people living in the border areas. But so far, what we have witnessed in our state is that it is just the opposite. Many a times we'll find that the BSF personnel, instead of creating or bringing about a peaceful atmosphere in the border areas, they have created nuisance and created law and order situation in the border villages within our state. And when you look at the allegation, it is very serious in nature. Unlike other incidents that had happened in the past, this particular incident, it involved a very serious allegation inviting the protection of children from sexual offenses, POSCO Act 2012. And the detailed legislation, that is the POSCO Act, is aimed at safeguarding children from a range of possible offenses such as sexual abuse and sexual misconduct. And in these particular instances, what it has been reported and it has been alleged or accused by the mother of this young minor girl of 15 years old, where the BSF personnel misbehaving and sexually molested this young girl. And therefore, as far as the POSCO Act is concerned, the Security Force Code has no jurisdiction. And if any BSF personnel is accused of the commission of an offense under POSCO, it has to be tried by the POSCO court. And I don't know the status of this incident where an FIR has been filed by the mother. I do hope that the minister in charge will look into the matter and apprise us of the present status of this case involving BSF personnel as far as the molestation is concerned. And what is also disturbing, in fact, on the early hours of 20th June 2024, is that soon after these BSF personnel were taken to the police station, where after a few hours, these BSF personnel, they came and cordoned off the police station, and whereby they make a threat to the police personnel, where they said that they are going to burn down the police station if these BSF personnel were not released. So this is something very serious, where we are all aware that as far as law and order situation is concerned, it is a state subject which is on the list 2 of Schedule 7. And the very fact that the BSF personnel have been from time and again act this way, it creates a situation where it really questions the federal structure of our state, the center-state relations between the state and the center. And therefore, with these few submissions, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home, to seriously look into this matter and see to it that these BSF personnel are being booked under the POSCO Act and being tried under the POSCO Code.
Sir, following the incident, a case was registered at Cleariat Women Police Station under case number 16 in bracket 06 2024 with charges filed under section 457, 326, 354, 506, 384 and 34 Indian Penal Code, read with section 7 and 8 of the POSCO Act. Sir, on the same day, that is 20th June 2024, the complainant and the victims were examined, and their statements were recorded, and all necessary steps such as medical examinations, visit to place of occurrence, and collecting of evidence were done as per law. So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the status of the case is the investigation is just completed and now is ready to be charge sheeted. Sir, in addition to the action taken by the police as far as this specific case is concerned, I would also like to inform the honorable members of this August House that government has also notified a coordination committee constituting under the chairmanship of the respective deputy commissioner or subdivisional officer, SDO, subdivisional officer, civil, and the members were police or officer in charge of police, and SP or DSP, and also the members of the traditional heads, especially staying in those international border area. And the nomenclature and the terms of reference of this committee is to sit down and to work out when and where the issue of complaints, be it from the BSF personnel or be it from the public in the border area, in the international border area, that it should be resolved in the level of the district or the subdivision level. So with this notification, sir, with this constitution of this committee, coordination committee, I would like to inform once again the honorable members of this August House that the incidents, such incidents that has happened like the one where the honorable member brought to the notice of the House has drastically come down, sir. It has drastically come down. So I'm very sure with the having of this committee, we will be able to resolve the issues once and for all. Of course, sir, as far as the incident, the unfortunate incident that has happened on the 19 midnight and also early in the morning of the 20th June 2024, the law takes its own course, as I've already replied, and I am very sure law will also do the needful to punish the culprit.